So for the last part of our 3 video tutorial, so we're going to learn about the matplotlib. So short background again, matplotlib is a Python plotting library created by John D. Hunter in 2003. It was designed to replicate the MATLAB's easy-to-use plotting commands, but in a Pythonic way. So, plotting some datas, but in a Python language. But over time, it became the foundational um, visualization library in the Python ecosystem, powering scientific computing, data analysis, and education. So, dito we have few uh, sa aking module na gagawin is I have here 4 na ipapakita sa inyo, which is first is the line graph or the line plot. We have the bar charts, scatter plot, and the histogram. So itong apat na ito is papakita ko sa inyo sila isa-isa, and I'll show you how to um, encode them using Python. So let's start. So first is we'll do the importing ng matplotlib. Yan. Pwede nyo siyang gawing ganan, pyplot, or kahit pyplot. Yan, SPLT. Sige, ayusin natin. Yan. Then, import numpy as np. So first is we'll be doing the line plot. Yan. So, for the line plot, ang ginamit ko dito is the numpy sin x. So, as you all know, yung sa sin x is yung ganun, up and down siya, up and down motion, or the oscillating. So, using the matplotlib, pwede natin i-visualize yung itsura nung graph na yon, which is, yan, ito. As you can see, this is the sin x. Ayan. So, ayun yung one of the 4. So, this is just the line plot na ginagawa natin. So, I'll kill it. Then, ang next natin is the bar chart, which is mabilis lang din naman siya. So, let's do bar chart. Yan. Next is the bar chart. So, ang bar chart dito is yung alam nating bar graph, which is yung dikit-dikit na bars. So, by doing that, yan, we'll have categories, subjects, yung ginamit ko. And the scores. The color of the graph is depende pa rin sa inyo. Pwede siyang gawin red, green, blue, or yellow. So, ang ginamit ko dito is green since kulay blue na yung line graph natin. Then show. Yan, plot. So, ngayon, since nakita niyo na yung line plot kanina, ang ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo ngayon is yung bar graph. Since, yan. Pero, yan, okay. So, ito yung line plot. And here's the bar graph. Ayan, as you can see, yung score natin sa math is at 85. Ang science is 90. And ito is 80, 79, and the history is 92 or 88. Ito. Ayan, 78. Ito. Ayan. So, ganun lang kabilis. So, we have the line plot, the bar chart. Then, next, we'll move to the scatter plot. Ang scatter plot naman is very randomly plotted na graph, which is parang hiwa-hiwalay na dots. Parang, as you know, yung Sierpinski triangle is an example of scatter plot. Pero ang Sierpinski triangle naman is may sinusunod siya na pattern. So for the scatter plot we'll do is kung mapapansin niyo halos pare-pares lang sila ng code or wordings. Ang nababalaan is dito is we have here plot, dito is bar. Then as you guess, for the scatter plot is instead of bar, instead of plot, we have random and scatter. Ayan, plot figure, then plot scatter. Yan. So, we'll just run. Then, ayan, lalabas ulit yung is, ayan. 1, 2, and this one. Ito na yung scatter plot. Naka-randomize siya, as you can see. So, hindi mo makikita yung pattern niya. So, doon natin malalaman na nagawa na natin yung scatter plot. So, sobrang bilis kapag nagamay nyo na yung mga codes or lines per code na gagawin nyo. So, we'll move on to the last part of this tutorial ng Matplotlib, which is the histogram. For the histogram, which is the last part, we'll just for 1,000 numbers. That's it. So, i-run lang natin. Ayan. So, ito yung sa line graph natin. We have the line graph as you can see. Ayan. Ito line graph. Next is the bar chart. The scatter plot. And lastly, we have here the histogram. So, as you can see, randomized pa rin yan for 1,000 sample size. So, as you can see na ito yung mode natin around here, between 0 and 1. Ang mean natin is 0. And that's it. So, ganun lang po kabilis aralin ang Matplotlib. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to message me or comment here sa atin pong mga videos. And I'll be reading all those and I'll be updating you if we have future tutorials. That's all. Thank you for watching the 3-part video. We have the pandas, the numpy, and the matplotlib. Thank you.